Alright guys, this is going to be Algebra Nation page 103.
Ashley was practicing some problems for her test tomorrow, and so are you. The following problem needed to be solved or her situation would be terrible. It would be she has to solve. Which of the following is the correct solution? Okay, so if you notice, this is written a little differently. These are known as solution sets. I always like to call them two little birds that fly away in different directions. But these are just solution sets saying these are the list of answers. It's just listing the answers. So what do? It's equal to 0. Check. It's not factored. Nothing's in common. But this is a trinomial. What multiplies to negative 15 and adds to negative 2? 1 and 15. 2 doesn't go into it. 3 and 5. Negative 5, positive 3. C minus 5, C plus 3 equal to 0. 0, check. Factor, double check. Set each factor equal to 0 and solve. Add 5 to both sides, and C equals 5. Subtract 3, and C equals negative 3. So you have 5 and negative 3. Positive 5 and a negative 3. B. At the same time, though, instead of doing that, because I know a lot of students, they'll do this. They'll go, hey, can I just plug and chug the answers till I get 0? Yes, you could. But if you get a question like this, you have to know how to solve. What is the lesser of the solutions to the following equation? It's equal to 0. Check. It's not factored. There's nothing in common. It's a trinomial. We're going to factor. Multiply, add. What multiplies to negative 63 and adds to 2? Eventually, you'd figure out that it's going to be, well, you start writing down your factors. A and A, 7 times 9. The more you do these, the more you should be able to see. Remember, you can start with this factor tree, but if you do this enough times, hopefully you won't have to eventually. If you do, though, that's fine. Plus 9 minus 7. A minus 7 equals 0. A plus 9 equals 0. Add the 7. Subtract the 9. Which one is lesser? Which one is less? Negative 9 is smaller than 7, and the answer is negative 9. So when you're asked to solve these, what they're called quadratics, or in general, you're going to be solving these different equations that have powers, you have to make sure it's first equal to 0, and then it's factored. You've got a lot more practice in the practice problems, and with your questions, you've got that wall below. So ask them.
Actually, you don't have a wall below. You have to pay attention and take some notes, because you're not getting credit unless you could answer a question about Lucas and his run for $1 million. So pay attention and take notes.
You know what? That is good playing right there, my friend. That is good use of a backup. We still have always thinking, buddy. And this is always thinking. Get your $25,000. Let's do Rhythm and Blues. We're going Rhythm and Blues, a little bit of R&B. Lead aging song, Midnight Train in Georgia by Gladys Knight and the Pimps. And we have Just Once from my man James Ingram with Quincy Jones. Just once. Just once? Just once. Okay, so now the words are getting hard. You know how many words we're looking for? We're on 7 missing words. And is there a special girl at home? What's that? Nah, they're all here right now. So sing to them. Sing to these ladies. Sing to these ladies and get that money. Are you ready? I'm so ready to get this money. Let's do it. Ricky Minor, give him his money. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Here we are, where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. Now we're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? 7 words, so we went with the first 7 words you gave us. Now, in looking at that, how do you feel? You have backups. You have 1 backup singer and 3 lines. Or just looking at it, you can change it. But if you lock this in right now and you are incorrect, you are leaving here and going back to the farm with nothing. The goats will laugh at you. Have you ever been laughed at by a goat? It is not cute, my friend. Because first the goats laugh at you, and then the chickens think you're a punk. How do they do that? Oh my God. Have you ever had a cow laugh at you? It hurts. So tell me what you're going to do.
All right. Actually, I'm thinking I'm going to go with the 3 lines.
I'm going with the
Because I know I'm getting close. I'm getting close, but I know I'm a word over, and there's something. So let's go with the 3 lines.
Okay, good.
It's
Good choice. We're going to get you some guaranteed money, $25,000. Hit me with the 3 lines, please. We have 3 lines for you, A, B, and C. A is, how come we never last very long? B, we never ever last for very long. And C, why we never last for very long.
Never. That's not right. It's definitely not B. Just once, can we figure out what we get doing wrong? How come we never last for very long? Or why we never last for very long? Like, C seems like the syllables fit better. Like, if I was Quincy, I probably would have gone with the more comfortable one. Why we never last for very long.
Now, are you willing to bank on your close relationship with Quincy Jones? $25,000. You got a little bracelet. What would Quincy do? You have to do what you want to do to get this money.
I naturally went to Y as the first word, and Y is the first word on C. I'm gonna go with C.
So you're gonna lock that in.
Yeah, Y can never last for very long. Gotta rock those minutes.
If you get this correct, you have $25,000. So are you ready?
I'm ready to risk it. Let's do it, man. I need to know.
All right, brother. Here we go. We're gonna see is the correct answer C. Why we never last for very long. Bring it up.
Booyah, baby. Hey, Lucas. The Miami Heat could have used your help the other night. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Ah, 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 ah. Alright, guys, that's going to conclude our videos for today. Good luck on the EOC for taking it tomorrow, or if you're taking it Thursday, or if you've already done. I hope you did your best. The rest of the time in class, you can work on both sides of the blue sheet.